Alright guys, so this is my office door and we are going to go in. So let's go in. This is the view that you normally will see in my videos. So there's my desk and my two bookshelves there. And you guys have seen this mostly already, but I will show you this part. Here I just decorated for the season, and this is the oil that I'm burning. This is Marshmallow Fireside from Bath and Body Works. It's really old, but it smells so good, and I got them like on super clearance on semi-annual sale. You guys know me already. But anyway, so I just styled it like this season. I put a little oil warmer up there, and I put some deers down there and put those on a pedestal and put another pedestal on top of that. And so yeah, I might change this, but for right now it's okay. I like it and it is serving its purpose. And so yeah, this is just how my desk is set up. I have my coaster there because I usually do have a glass of something there and I don't want to ruin my furniture. And then there's just my little trays there that I put things in. And you guys know that this lamp is a DIY. So yeah, this is just what my desk looks like. And then up there I have some more of my DIYs. I just put them up there. Those are my candle holders that I made, all these. And so that's just a Victoria's Secret box that I need to do something with, but I kind of like it up there. I don't know, it's kind of off, but it works for me. And here, some more DIYs there at the top. I did that one. Some of my shoes. Another DIY on that second shelf there. Some boxes. Those are some book holders that I really love. And yeah, that's just what that looks like. Another DIY that I made. I usually have a plant inside of that one, but I just put it down here for this season. And yeah, so that's what this corner looks like. And so over here again, I have more DIYs. Another one of those vases that I made. Another bank DIY that I did, and I really love that one. Yeah, that one I bought from the store. What did I buy that from? At Home. That came from At Home. And another DIY down here, this little picture frame that I need to put a picture in. And also, one of my candle stands missing a candle. That is because I only had 3 and I need to find another one. I'll go to Dollar Tree and see if I can find another one. Otherwise, I will have to change them out to something else. But yeah. And then guys, one of those Dollar Tree frames that I have, I also have my clearance out boxes that I picked up from Michael's for like 80% off. This is a DIY book holder that I have there that holds some of my like books and things like that in there. And there is a deer that I got from the home goods store. Another DIY down there, and I didn't even know I had that down there. That is one of my bathroom DIYs that I made. I just decided not to use it in the bathroom this year, so it's hiding down there. I have a Bath and Body Works wallflower there that I need to go and find a wallflower to go in. I want to get Marshmallow Fireside, and I don't have any of those, so I just left it there so you guys can see how it would look for the video. Other than that, I'll probably take it out until I get a replacement. This is my window here. Let me fix these curtains. My cat lives in this window and he's kind of torn these curtains up a little bit, but they are still holding on. So this is where I sit sometimes and read, and these are some more of my DIYs that I did just recently, and I love how it looks over here on this little stand here. That's really like a couch table, but I use it in here for when I do hauls and things like that. Right now I'm using it for my reading table. So I have Michelle Obama's Becoming book on there, and I think she looks beautiful on there. So yeah, had that, and this is so comfy cozy. This is where I house all of my candles. As you can see, I have made a little dent in them, and that is because Candle Day is coming up. Yes, you guys know I'm going to be there. And so I do always make space for Candle Day so I can go in there and get me at least 6 to 12 candles. So I think I can do it. Like this space here, that's 3 right there. You know, here, there's 2 there. And I have a bunch down here that I could actually fill up. That is a Henry Brendel candle there. That's going to be probably going in my bathroom upstairs soon. So I just left it there. And so, yeah, this is what it's looking like. And yes, it's a little bare, but it will be filled up after Candle Day. And so, this is my little DIY that I did as well. This thing is missing some doors on here, so I didn't want to see that anymore, so I just covered it up with some fabric. And I do like the fabric, like a sparkly fabric. Can you guys see that? I hope you can. And I just let it drape to the floor, and I will show you guys under here because I have this full with my just extras and mostly Yankee stuff. So yes, I am a candle fanatic. I love for my home to smell good. And so yeah, that is a fun fact about me if you guys did not know. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Over in my corner, I have decorated my tree. Tree looks like, guys, this is all Dollar Tree products on this tree. I did not go out and spend a whole lot of money. It's actually a Five Below tree itself, and I just put some fake snow on it, and yeah, I just kind of like tried to pimp it out as much as I could. I even put a little crown on it. Look at that, y'all. So yeah, this is my tree, and I think it turned out good. I'm really loving it. This is the biggest tree that I've had in this office since I have had this office. So yeah. And so this is my vanity area where I do my makeup, and I also have Bath and Body Works products in here as well. And so as you can see, hey guys, you can see me mostly lotions and body sprays. I do have some perfumes, but they're in the drawer. I just got sick of all the clutter on my desk. And then some foundations and lipsticks and stuff like that. So yeah, my lip pencils, and this little plate here was a DIY that I did. It actually was a pedestal, but I took it down because I wanted it to be lower because I wanted to put it right here. So I just took the base off of it. It was only held together by hot glue, so it was easy to do that. The bench that I had for years and years, and I just painted the legs white, and I covered the seat with, this is actually a rug, you guys, a rug, and I like how it looks. So that's that. And this is just I think these are the Alex drawers from IKEA, you guys. I don't know, but this is the same that everybody has on YouTube. I got this as a Mother's Day present for my husband. One Mother's Day or 2 ago, I'm not sure. But so yeah, let me show you guys. Oh, I didn't show you guys the best part about this room. Here, look how cute, you guys. Yay, I love it. I took down all of my body sprays, and I actually put them upstairs in my room. They are housed under my bed now. But look, there is my sleigh that I made, my dream sign. Those are my DIY candle holders I made. My trees that I just made a little while ago. My daughter's kindergarten shoes that I keep on display. And another little dream sign. So yeah, I love how this looks. And let me step back and show you this lamp. This is the lamp in here. And I got this from, I think, Overstock. But you could totally DIY this lamp. I actually did DIY those to match it. And yeah, you could totally DIY these. So, and I think Amazon actually sells these little crystals on Amazon. So you don't have to spend $100 like I did to get this lamp. You could actually DIY this. So yeah, but I do love this lamp view. That's what it looks like up top. My light up there. That's my door going out of the room. Oh yeah, this needs to be fixed. My husband's got to fix that still, but pay no attention to that. And then down here, I don't know if I showed you, these are some boxes and they're filled with body care from Bath & Body Works. Yeah, I have a problem. So, yeah. This is what it looks like, guys. And I finally clean this room up. So I said, you know what, I've gotten so many requests to show this room that I just decided to go ahead and do it for Christmas. So guys, I hope that you all have enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. I love how this looks, guys. Yes.